Hello everyone and welcome on this new silver analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So actually guys, I have stopped analyzing the silver for 2 weeks because actually we had bad results on it over the last period actually. The silver actually was really confusing to me. Especially here knowing that based on the weekly chart, we actually had here a head and shoulders pattern, which actually confirms usually that the market actually is supposed to continue the fall, but instead of that, the silver just continued the rise. So therefore, the price action actually has tricked me and I actually fall into it. So again, guys, none of us here is perfect. Sometimes we just misreading the market, and therefore I stopped analyzing the silver for some time, but now it seems to me like it's gonna continue the rise, and now let's analyze it together. So now from what we can see right now again, let's go back to the weekly chart. So again, my friends, as you know, we will analyze the market first on the weekly chart, then daily chart to confirm the direction, and then we will go to the smaller time frame such as 4-hour or 1-hour time frame to find the entry. I have to mention this for the new followers, guys. They have to know actually to understand what we are about to do in the video. So therefore, let's now start with the weekly chart. Now again, weekly chart shows a very strong bullish momentum right now, especially knowing that the market has just made here a bullish breakout from the long-term resistance at 32.217. And now we can see here a continuation in the movement with a strong bullish candle. And this candle most likely will continue the rise till it reach the highest level of a real resistance at 34.5. Until then, we can actually continue buying the silver. Let's now move to the daily chart. Alright, so now here is the daily chart. As you can see, daily chart right now. And again, we have to highlight here the head and shoulders pattern, which hasn't been respected with the last few candles, which confirms that the market actually has just made here a bullish breakout from this triangle. Let me just show it to you. So first of all, I would like to just squeeze the chart like that. Doing this actually, guys, giving us a better perspective in the market. So now what we can see right now is a triangle. Let me just show it to you. That indeed has just been broken out from. And that confirms that the gold actually, the silver actually has a chance to make a correction right now, or to make a pullback and retest the broken level of a resistance trend line, and afterward it will continue the rise till it reaches the highest level of a real resistance at 34.8. Until then, we will consider buying the silver. We just have to wait for it to continue the fall till it reaches our desired entry. Now pay attention. Based on daily chart, what we can see right now here is of course a resistance trend line number 1, number 2, number 3, and finally here we have the bullish breakout candle. Now pay attention. Right here exactly, this tail represents support trend line number 1, which means that level of a resistance trend line has already been retested and the market has already respected that area. If we switch right now to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that very clear. Check this out. This pullback right here represents a support trend line number 1, which means now the silver most likely will continue the fall right now to retest the new level of a resistance, which lies exactly right here at 33.3, and that level is gonna be our best level to start buying the silver again, right on the retest of the previous level of a resistance to continue the rise, and most likely is gonna gain some liquidity by making the pullback right here. Therefore, and to make it very simple and easy, we can actually just simply buy the silver exactly and precisely right here. Why? Salah, why here? Why not there? I mean, the difference is just like 4 pips only. Come on, why here, not there? The answer, my friends, those who have been following me for a long time, they know very well the strategy rules. If you want to buy a broken level of a resistance, aiming a new support level, the most accurate and precise level is gonna be that the reversal is gonna occur exactly at the highest level of the wick, which is the nearest one to the bullish breakout candle. It's actually giving you more precise and more accurate entry. Yes, the difference is just like 4 or 5 pips only. But for example, if you are doing the same strategy, applying it on gold, on daily chart, the difference might actually be 100 pips. And of course, all of us, we don't want a drawdown of 100 pips. That's why I'm teaching here on my channel how to find these very precise and accurate entries, which can give you a very good entry. Anyway, we will buy this. And by the way, let me just show you. If we scroll to the left side, pay attention right here exactly. The same level was a very strong key level of a support that most likely will be again respected one more time. Sorry. So now, that being said, let me now delete the line here. Back to daily chart. We will buy this silver exactly at 32.267, targeting the highest level of a real resistance at 34.530, aiming around 126 pips, hopefully of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging actually lower than the previous level of a nearest resistance as well, right here and right there and right here at 32.675, which will be ranging for around 56 pips only. Let me now please write the signal for you. And that's gonna be everything, my friends, for the silver. Again, don't forget please to be careful with this trade, and remember, just because it came from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable. This signal might fail, the analysis itself might sometimes be wrong. So please guys, if you guys are willing to enter this trade, just make sure that you have been ready and prepared for the stop losses, which can be placed anywhere outside of the safe zone. Do not set the edge of the safe zone as of your stop loss. And to be more safe, please guys join our free group of Telegram to trade with the Xtreme Trader team, because here I'm sending updates and notifications about any signal that I'm sending here on YouTube. These updates cannot be sent on YouTube itself. We are actually sending it on Telegram. So just make sure to join the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.